Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by your emotions? What if you could stay calm and centered no matter what life throws at you? In this video, we reveal a powerful technique to help you achieve emotional balance and protect your peace. Learn how setting boundaries can transform your relationships and boost your well-being. Stay tuned to find out how you can take control of your emotional landscape and live a more fulfilling life. Don't miss this essential guide to mastering your emotions and enhancing your mental health. Hi there. In this video, we'll delve into what emotional detachment is, why it's important, and how you can cultivate it to lead a more peaceful, balanced life. In our fast-paced world, we often find ourselves caught up in a whirlwind of emotions. Stress, anxiety, and frustration can easily take over, leaving us feeling overwhelmed and drained. Emotional detachment doesn't mean becoming cold or indifferent. Instead, it's about finding a balance, learning to step back and observe our emotions without getting swept away by them. Emotional detachment allows us to respond to situations thoughtfully rather than react impulsively. It helps us maintain inner peace even in the face of external chaos. What is emotional detachment? Emotional detachment is the ability to disconnect from our immediate emotional responses and view situations objectively. It involves creating a mental space between ourselves and our emotions, enabling us to respond more rationally. So, how can we cultivate emotional detachment? Here are some practical steps you can take. Lesson 1. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present and engaged in the current moment without judgment. It involves paying attention to our thoughts, feelings, bodily sensations, and the surrounding environment. This practice helps us observe our emotions without being overwhelmed by them, fostering emotional detachment. The benefits of mindfulness reduces stress. By focusing on the present, mindfulness helps reduce the anxiety and stress that often come from worrying about the past or future. Improves emotional regulation. Mindfulness allows us to observe our emotions without reacting impulsively, leading to better emotional control. Enhances self-awareness. It increases our awareness of our thoughts and feelings, helping us understand our emotional triggers. How to practice mindfulness. Mindful breathing. Find a quiet place and sit comfortably. Focus on your breath, inhaling deeply through your nose and exhaling slowly through your mouth. Pay attention to the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. If your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Mindful walking. Walk slowly and deliberately, paying attention to the sensation of your feet touching the ground. Notice the movement of your body and the sounds around you. Keep your mind focused on the act of walking, gently redirecting it back when it wanders. Meditation. Sit in a comfortable position. Close your eye. Lesson 2. Reflect and observe. Reflecting and observing are crucial components in developing emotional detachment. This practice involves taking a step back to understand your emotional responses and the underlying triggers. By observing your thoughts and feelings without judgment, you gain valuable insights into your emotional patterns, helping you manage them more effectively. The benefits of reflection and observation. 1. Enhanced self-awareness. By regularly reflecting on your emotions, you become more aware of your emotional triggers and patterns. This awareness is the first step toward change. 2. Improved emotional control. Observing your emotions without immediate reaction helps you develop a more measured and thoughtful response to situations. 3. Reduced reactivity. Understanding your emotional responses allows you to pause and choose how to respond, reducing impulsive and potentially harmful reactions. How to practice reflection and observation. 1. Journaling. Set aside a few minutes each day to write about your emotional experiences. Reflect on situations that triggered strong emotions and note how you felt and reacted. Ask yourself questions like, why did I feel this way, and what could I have done differently? 2. Mindful observation. When you experience a strong emotion, take a moment to pause and observe it without judgment. Notice the physical sensations in your body, the thoughts in your mind, and the intensity of the emotion. Acknowledge the emotion without trying to change it or push it away. 3. Meditative reflection. Find a quiet space and sit comfortably. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Reflect on recent emotional experiences, observing your reactions and the circumstances that triggered them. Consider how you might approach similar situations in the future with greater emotional detachment. 4. Daily check-ins. Throughout the day, pause to check in with yourself and your emotions. Ask yourself how you are feeling and why. Use this practice to stay aware of your emotional state and to prevent being swept away by strong emotions. Integrating reflection and observation into daily life. Regular practice. Make reflection and observation a regular part of your daily routine. Whether through journaling, meditation, or simple daily check-ins, consistency is key. Non-judgmental attitude. Approach your emotions with curiosity rather than judgment. This mindset helps you learn from your experiences without being harsh on yourself. Be patient. Developing the habit of reflection and observation takes time. Be patient and compassionate with yourself as you practice these skills. By regularly reflecting on and observing your emotions, you cultivate a deeper understanding of your emotional landscape. This practice helps you detach from immediate emotional reactions, enabling you to respond to situations with greater clarity and calmness. Through reflection and observation, you can achieve a more balanced and mindful approach to your emotions, leading to improved emotional well-being. And focus on your breath or a mantra. Lesson 3. Set boundaries. Setting boundaries is an essential aspect of emotional detachment and overall well-being. Boundaries define how you allow others to interact with you and how you interact with others. They help protect your emotional health, ensure mutual respect, and prevent feelings of resentment or being overwhelmed. The benefits of setting boundaries. 1. Protects emotional health. Boundaries prevent emotional burnout by ensuring you don't overextend yourself or take on more than you can handle. 2. Promotes self-respect. Establishing boundaries communicates self-respect and encourages others to respect you. 3. Prevents resentment. Clear boundaries reduce feelings of resentment and frustration by ensuring your needs and limits are recognized and respected. 4. Enhances relationships. Healthy boundaries lead to more balanced and respectful relationships. How to set effective boundaries. 1. Identify your limits. Reflect on your physical, emotional, and mental limits. Consider what makes you feel uncomfortable, stressed, or drained. Identify situations, behaviors, or interactions that cross these limits. 2. Communicate clearly. Express your boundaries assertively but respectfully. Use I statements to communicate your needs without blaming others. For example, I need some quiet time after work to relax and recharge, or I'm not comfortable discussing that topic. 3. Be consistent. Consistency reinforces your boundaries. Stick to them and remind others if they are crossed. Consistency also builds your self-confidence and the confidence others have in respecting your boundaries. 4. Learn to say no. Saying no is a vital part of setting boundaries. It's okay to decline requests or invitations that make you uncomfortable or are beyond your capacity. Practice saying no in a polite yet firm manner without feeling guilty. 5. Recognize and respect others' boundaries. Boundaries are a two-way street. Just as you set your boundaries, be mindful of and respect the boundaries set by others. Respecting others' boundaries fosters mutual respect and understanding. Integrating boundary setting into daily life. Regular reflection. Periodically reflect on your boundaries and adjust them as needed. Life circumstances and relationships change, and your boundaries might need to evolve accordingly. Practice self-care. Setting and maintaining boundaries is a form of self-care. Make time for activities that rejuvenate and support your well-being. Seek support. If you find it challenging to set or enforce boundaries, consider seeking support from a trusted friend, mentor, or therapist. They can provide guidance and reinforcement. Lesson 4. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself. Understand that it's okay to feel emotions, but also recognize that you have the power to manage them. Self-compassion strengthens your ability to detach and view situations more objectively. Remember, emotional detachment is a skill that takes time and practice to develop. Be patient with yourself as you learn and grow. The journey towards emotional balance is a rewarding one, leading to greater peace and resilience. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insights on living a balanced and mindful life. Share your thoughts and experiences with emotional detachment in the comments below. Until next time, take care and stay mindful.